year 2023 from MBKSM College, which is affiliated from GURUGRAM University, and I have take the course in Qspiders in July, and after that it's been 10 months for me here, and I have gained a lot of knowledge about the full stack program in Java, in which I have studied Java and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React and SQL, and the faculty here is very good, all the staff is very supportive, and the best part of this institute that I feel is their presentation part and the mock interviews. That helped me a lot to gain experience or to gain the knowledge that how should I actually speak in front of the actual interview, and presentations helped me to overcome my fear of stage, and after the 10 months I got my job in a company which is offering me 3 LPA and for the designation of software developer, and I thank you for the Qspiders for giving me this opportunity.